Hey nail babes, welcome to Prep the Polish where we love press on nails, and today I'm going to be doing a review slash application of the LA Colors nail kit. I think I'm going to take this one home. I really like the cat eye and short almond, but overall I'm at CVS Pharmacy and I just came across these kits. They're all in one. They come with all the supplies that you need to apply your nails, and I just thought that, that was a great idea. And then the price is obviously very affordable. And then, like I always say, if you guys follow me, if you have the CVS app, you'll get an even bigger discount. If you don't live near a CVS, you can always buy these on Amazon. I do have one of them in my Amazon store, and I'll have the link below. The regular kits are $5.49, and the lavish kits, they're the longer ones with more designs, are $6.49. All right, guys, so let's go home and see how to apply this kit. This is the kit that I chose, and I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to apply this with only what's in the box. They have glue, they have lots of nails, which is good because you shouldn't have a problem fitting your nails. They have the alcohol wipe, which when I do my nails, this is what I use, but today I'll use the alcohol wipe. Then they have the file, and I use it to remove the shine off my nail and to give my nail grit. And normally I use my e-file. Now don't over-file. They also have these little tabs. I never use these. I think these are good for short term. They have nails, and then they have a cuticle pusher, a wooden one. And obviously I always use my own metal cuticle pusher, but today I'm using theirs. So first we're going to push back our cuticles to give that nice shape. Then we're going to file. Don't over file. You're only doing this to remove the shine and give your nails some grit so your nails stick better. Another thing that I also like to do with this before I apply nails is file the actual bottom of my nail. I already cut it and filed it. And you should do that because it gives it a nice clean look. Once I'm done, I'm going to take my wipe and I'm going to wipe off the dust, and I'm going to dehydrate my nail. So if there's any oil left, it's gone. Then I'm going to add the glue, and always add a nice generous amount. Make sure to put it all over your nail. And then you're going to pop on your press on. Hold it down for a couple seconds. And then what I like to do is I like to press it for a couple more seconds. You want to do this for a couple seconds for it to really adhere. And we're all done. I got a little glue on the top, and that's okay. I'm just going to wipe it off. And that's it, guys. So that's my review. I thought this kit was super simple. I really enjoyed it. I used only their supplies. This is the final look. They had beautiful designs. I really love the cat eye. LA Colors definitely has a good thing going on. The only thing that I will say I wasn't crazy about was not the glue itself. The glue is great. The bottle was really hard to press. Other than that, everything was great. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you. Bye.